Chapter 11. How to align with Saturn tools, rituals, and practices to survive and thrive during your Saturn return. If you've made it this far, you now understand Saturn. You've heard the tests, you've felt the pressure. But now, let's talk solutions. Let's talk about what actually helps. This chapter is all about practical alignment, because Saturn doesn't reward dreaming. It rewards discipline, consistency, and sacred structure. Let's get into the tools that will help you stay steady during your Saturn return. Number 1. Build a weekly planning ritual, especially on Saturdays, Saturn's day. Here's how to do it. 1. Pick a consistent time every Saturday. Morning is best. 2. Sit down with your journal, planner, or even a voice note. 3. Ask yourself, where did I show up with maturity this week? Where did I avoid responsibility? What's one thing I will commit to next week no matter what? You don't need a perfect week. Saturn just wants effort, reflection, and consistency. Number 2. Start a Saturn Return journal. This can be a physical journal, an app, or even an audio diary. Write or record what you're learning about yourself, patterns you're seeing, decisions that feel heavy, breakthroughs, wins, even small ones. Saturn notices the small things. Example entries could be, today I said no to someone and didn't explain myself. I realized I've been avoiding money conversations out of fear. I signed up for therapy. That's big for me. These moments add up. This is your Saturn archive. In number 3, create a Saturn altar. This one is optional, but powerful. You can build a small altar space to honor the energy of Saturn. Place on it a black candle or gray cloth, stones like obsidian, hematite, or onyx, a timepiece like a clock or hourglass, a list of your top 3 long-term goals, anything that symbolizes responsibility, mastery, or commitment. Light the candle on Saturdays. Breathe. Say something like, I honor structure, wisdom, and growth. I am ready to build. Number 4. Structure your time. Saturn wants you to master your minutes. This doesn't mean hustle culture. It means intentional time blocks. Try this. Pick 1 hour each day to be completely focused. No multitasking. Pick one area of your life, just one, to add structure to. Maybe it's your finances, maybe it's your sleep schedule, maybe it's your social life. Stick to that structure for 3 weeks. Track how you feel. Saturn loves rhythm. Show up on time, even when no one's watching. Number 5. Speak Saturn's language. This means speak like someone who takes life seriously, but joyfully. Say things like, let me sit with that before I commit. I need time to think about what's truly sustainable. What's the long-term impact of this? Saturn energy is intentional. It doesn't rush. It doesn't people please. It pauses, reflects, and chooses. Number 6. Saturn foods, herbs, and crystals. Everything has a frequency. Saturn does too. Saturn is cool, grounding, earthy, and slow. Good Saturn foods. Root vegetables like beets, carrots, and potatoes, dark leafy greens like kale and collards, lentils, oats, and slow-cooked stews, Saturn-aligned herbs, sage for clarity, valerian root for anxiety, ashwagandha for endurance and stress, mugwort for boundaries and sleep, Saturn crystals, obsidian for truth and protection, onyx for strength, smoky quartz for releasing fear, hematite for grounding. Add one of these to your ritual, your tea, or your altar. Number 7. The rule of one thing. Saturn doesn't care how many goals you set. It cares how many you finish. So here's a rule. Pick one thing, just one. That could be one habit you're building, one goal you're tracking, one lesson you're committing to mastering. Write it down. Put it on your altar. Look at it every day. Make it your Saturn vow. Bonus tip. The 3 R's. Saturn thrives on the 3 R's. Review what's working. refine what's not, repeat what brings long-term reward. Do this every month, even for 15 minutes. That's the Saturn rhythm. Slow, simple, sustainable. Final word. Tools are great. Rituals are powerful. But what matters most to Saturn is what you do. If you forget every practice in this chapter, just remember this. Do one thing, do it well, and do it again tomorrow. That's how you align with Saturn. That's how you graduate your return.